students of class 6. Today we will continue chapter 5 and today's topic is slide transition and animation. How to add slide transition and animation in PowerPoint. So everyone open the page 57 and let us start the class. I will show you the steps in the computer. So let us start the class. Now, animation. If the object in your documents are moving, they will catch the attention of the audience and leave an everlasting impact. The various objects in a presentation can be animated using animation. Now, what is this animation? Animation is a set of special effects that can be applied to all the objects on the slide. That is, sound and visual effects can be given to them. This also helps in increasing the interest of the user. So everyone, please underline the definition of animation. And what is the use of animation? To make our presentation more attractive so that we can leave an everlasting impact on the audience. Their attention is not moved from our presentation. This is our goal of using the transition and animation. Over here we have started with animation. Now, how to add animation? We can add animation in our presentation. Some of the built-in animations are already present in the PowerPoint 2013. We can use them or we can create our own animations. So let us see how we are doing the things. Suppose this is one slide we have created. Now, how we are working? For that, we will first select the object where we want to add the animation. Selection done. Then we will go to the animation tab. Over here you can find some of the animations already there. Let's check. If we click from here any of the animation, see, the preview is shown to us. A lot of inbuilt presentations, animations are there. Okay, from there we can use it. Done. Now, entrance animation, emphasize animation and exit animation. Okay, three types of animations are there. Now, entrance animation means how it will appear, how the objects will appear or enter in the slide. Emphasize means how it will appear while on the slide. And exit animation means how it will leave the slide. Clear? Three types of animation. How the text will come, how the text will stay on the slide and how the text will move out of the slide. Three separate animations you can place. Now, whenever you are selecting any of the animation, animation pane, you can click in the advanced animation option and the animation pane will be shown on the right hand side. From here you can do from where the animation will play, everything. Click, start on click, whether on click the animation will start or it will start with the previous animation, when it will, how much time it will take to stay in the slide, everything we can set using the animation pane. Now on click means whenever you click the mouse, at that time the animation will start. With previous means as the previous animation gets ended, the new animation starts. After previous means if we want the animations to start after the previous animation gets over. And start with previous means as the animation is closing, ending, it will start simultaneously. Okay, in this way we can give the animation. Now how to remove the animation? Simply click on the animation, remove option is there, click it and the animation will be removed. Preview button is there, from where it will start, that is also there. Everything you can do it using the animation pane. Now animation painter option is there. Animation painter. When we click on the animation painter, if we want to use the same animation for more objects, for one or more object, if we want to use the same animation, we can click the animation painter. First we have to select the object which has an animation applied to it. Then you have to click the animation painter in the advanced animation group. Then click on the other object where we want to apply the same animation. Those same animation will be applied to all the objects that we have selected. Now coming to slide transition. What is slide transition? Slide transition is the motion effect that occurs when we move from one slide to the next during a presentation, PowerPoint presentation. We can control the speed of each slide transition effect. And we can add sound to that transition too. So how the slides will enter, how the slides will move in the presentation, that is done using the slide transition. We can apply different transition to each slide or the same to all the slides. This also we can do. Now how to add the transition, let us see. Now first select the slide where we want to insert the transition. Then go to the transition tab in the ribbon. Over here many transitions are there. The slides will appear. Understand how we are using the transitions. Now next is effect option. In the transition to the slide, effect option means how the transition will happen, smoothly or it will happen horizontally or vertically. This also we can do it from the effect option. Over here sound option we can give. How much time it will take for the transition, that also we can give over here. If one transition we have done and we want to apply that very transition to all the slides, that also you can give by apply to all. Now advanced slide option, you can do that. On mouse click means one slide is inserted, then on mouse click the next slide will appear. This also you can give it over here. Done. Now let us see how our presentation is showing. So today's CW is done. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. And today's HW will be from page 57 to 61. Read thoroughly, go through the steps line by line. Everyone, stay happy, stay healthy, stay at home, finish your work on time. Please study at home, and bye-bye.